Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to convert between the different pressure units. It's pretty quick and easy, should be no problem to follow along and answer the questions with me. So let's go ahead and look at these 5 units of pressure. Now these are all based on ATM, that's our kind of like our home unit here. Alright, we have ATM, millimeters of mercury, torr, pascals, and kilopascals. Alright, and we should be able to go in between any of these units when we are working out our chemistry problems. Alright, now our basic structure for these problems are pretty much just dimensional analysis. Alright, what you've seen before with maybe stoichiometry or going between moles and grams. Alright, we're going to start with some number in the problem, and we're going to multiply it by a ratio, all right? And our ratio is always going to be the unit we are looking for up top divided by the unit given. That way we have our given units cancel out in our problem, all right? And then we will be left with the unit that we are looking for, all right? So when we do these problems, if we follow these steps, all right, we will end up with the unit that we need. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and just work through a couple problems, see how it is, and then we will hopefully master this. All right, so here we go. Here's our first problem. It says convert 0.830 ATM to millimeters mercury. All right, so what we're going to do, well, we are going to first write down the number that they give us in the problem. All right, make sure you include your units. And then we are going to multiply it by our ratio. Okay, remember the top one is what we are looking for, and then the bottom one is the one that's given. Right? I am looking for millimeters mercury. So we go back to our 5 units, and we see that the number next to millimeters mercury is 760 mmHg. Okay. The bottom is going to be our given unit. All right, that's ATM. All right, we look at the number next to ATM on our 5 units of pressure, and it says 1 ATM. All right, so when we do this math, we're going to take 0.83 ATM times 760 millimeters mercury divided by 1. All right, if you notice, unit is on top there and it's on bottom there, so it cancels out. And we are left with an answer that is going to be millimeters mercury. That number, if you type it into your calculator, is going to be 630.8, but let's round this to 631 millimeters mercury. All right, so that one wasn't that bad. Let's take a look at another example here, see if we could work this one out as well. All right, so it says convert 7.6 torr to kilopascals. All right, so first thing we do, write down the number that is given to us in the problem. All right, then we're going to multiply it by our ratio. Ratio being the one that you're looking for, your unknown up top, so kPa. The number next to it is 101.325. Okay, and then our given is torr. We look at the number next to torr, and it is 760 torr. Okay, we could both see that, okay, torr's right there, it's going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with an answer in kPa. That answer is 1.013, and this is, of course, in kPa. Alright, so hopefully you follow along with this and replay it if you need a little extra help, and hopefully you learn how to convert pressure units. Well, until next time.